How to find ESPN Fantasy Draft Grades. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ESPN Fantasy app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Football at the top. In Football, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on My Team. After you've clicked on My Team, in here, simply click on League at the top right corner of your screen. After that, in here, scroll down and you will find your recap option or your draft option of draft grades. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to find ESPN Fantasy Draft Grades. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.